It's the Paddy's Day paddy wagon. Let's have a look at this one. It's like something that PSN I would have, isn't it? The grates all over the roof here, look. Fabricated later. Nice though, aren't they? The way it's all fitted. That is a Mercedes 242. All the lights on the front. Armours on the side. For a proper riot squad, isn't it? Proper riot squad. For the Paddy's Day, huh? Paddy wagon for Paddy's Day. Oh, look at this one. Public order, you know. Serious public order, isn't it? Got this big thing up here as well, see this? Looks like a light. There's a camera up there as well. Nice looking vehicle, isn't it? And everyone else is admiring it. It's right now as well. Lovely. Really nice job on the top there. Like whoever did that welding spot on. Nice TIG welding. Really lovely job. Just in case you get a few bottles thrown at you. Huh? Happy days. Happy Paddy's Day.